no. I'm not gonna do it. Yes. Only because I can't move around anymore. But is it really gonna be cleaning? Not really. It's probably gonna be more of moving things around to get to be able to walk. I mean, there will be some cleaning, but cleaning. So I'll let voiceover Erin take over now. Hey everyone, voiceover Erin here. I thought I'd talk about my creative journey and how I got into sewing while we all just watched me clean my sewing room at my mom's house. To start off with some backstory, my mom comes from a very large family, like 10 kids, 5 girls, 5 boys. My mom is the oldest girl, but the 4th in line. So I was about 5, I saw my mom crocheting a baby blanket because she did one for everyone in our family. I wanted to learn, so she taught me. And I have a good memory, so she would teach me how to make something that was repetitive, and I would just memorize it. It wasn't until I turned 19 when she got fed up with reading the patterns and showing me how to create the stitches. She taught me to read patterns, which has helped me so much to read sewing patterns. The tip, she said, was to just read the patterns up until the comma and do what needs to be done. Don't try and read everything at once, you'll just get confused. I have made a ton of crocheted blankets. So now for the sewing part and how that started. Turned 18, my mom's aunt, who taught her how to crochet, passed away. Since my great aunt had only had sons and didn't have much contact with her grandchildren, her husband had my mom and her sisters take anything they wanted that was my aunt's. My mom took her sewing machine because my mom had one like her mom's, but goofed in the 90s and gave it away thinking her new machine would be better. Since the sewing machine I use is from the 70s, it's all metal, super heavy, and can handle anything. Then in 2013, I tried sewing again with a different sewing machine. I tried to make a dress, which I have since lost the pattern, but the packaging and the directions, because it wasn't until 2017 when I tried sewing again, I made a circle skirt. It was okay, as in the waistband got caught and twisted. But I also made a Batman cape and a Superman cape for some cosplays that I found a bit easier but still had some problems. The following year of 2018, I made a Wonder Woman skirt and a skirt for Cersei as cosplays. Again, they had their flaws, not counting the foam armor that fell apart on us because it was so hot that con. But then our pride and joy, which was mine and Martha's, in 2019, I made a cosplay with Martha's help, like what she did with Pichu. We did a fairy tale cosplay of Natsu and Grey. For this, we went to downtown LA and went into fabric shops just to find the colors we wanted. We had not a single clue about what type of fabric it was, which was all polyester. I had gone to Joann's and found patterns I thought that we could use and modify. One was a jacket from Butterick, B6328, if you're interested. It was the only pattern I found that was in the way we wanted, but I added 20 inches or so to make it behind the knee. I used it for both our jackets. For my corseted belt thing and Martha's pants, they are pants that hit right at her knee. I used Simplicity's 5359 costume for adult harem style looks. I created my shorts following Cool Alerpa April's tutorial. I made a random tube top from my finished look, and Martha had bandages. But we were so proud, even though it was a small con, which was Nerd Expo, it was still great. So here we are in 2021, which is crazy because I started this channel because I had nothing to do during quarantine. So off topic, it's my birthday month, so I'm a Capricorn, and next video will be up about Capricorn in a thrift look. So there was me cleaning, sort of, and listening to me ramble. I hope you enjoyed it. Since it's a new year, this video, go and give it a thumbs up. That's what you're supposed to say. If you want to see another video, stick around and subscribe until next time.